Hello beautiful person, this is Anton, and in this video I wanted to show you a little trick for, well, pretty much any SBC system, be it Raspbian or Kali Linux as you see in my case, to essentially change something, or not something, but change your system when you're using VNC to have basically full screen device. Normally, you probably know that if you're connecting to your Raspberry, you're most likely are going to end up with a screen that's basically this big. It's going to be really tiny. It's going to be kind of hard to see things there. If you want to try to basically watch a video or something, it's going to be really, really difficult. Now, I kind of had to look this up and look around for how to basically make it so that my screens are at least, let's say, I don't know, 1280 by 720, basically a 720p. You can obviously make it 1080p if you want. Let me show you how to do this. Now, this is not an ultimate, or I guess it's not the optimal solution. It's not the most memory efficient, and it's also technically just like a little patch you put on the problem, but it totally works, and it works every single time. I'm gonna show you how to do this. And so this is how we do it. First of all, let's go to the main folder. So here, under the boot folder, there's a bunch of files. We need to go into the config file, I believe. So we're gonna do sudo nano config.txt, and inside of this file, you actually might not have this file there, so do put it in. Inside of this file, you just have to write this. This is also in the description below, so you can copy it from there. All this does is basically make it so that your headless mode now has different resolution. And the most important line here is this: HDI mode equals to 85. Now, where is this number from? This is actually a website you can find on the raspberry.org. And I believe if you want to have 1080p, you need to change this to 82. And if you want to have different resolutions, actually, let me just show it to you. Here is the entire list of all of the resolutions that you can kind of change this to. There's a lot of choice, so you can go and experiment. I don't think it goes to 4K, unfortunately. Actually, never mind. Yeah, it does not go to 4K, but it does go to 1600, which is a very unusual resolution. All of this can basically be changed to your liking. And once you've done this, you basically save the file, close it, reboot your Pi, and that's it. It's going to have this different resolution. Just to show you an example, I'm going to go ahead and change this to 82. And now do a reboot just to show you that it will now come on as a window that's basically 920. So this is a much bigger window than I had before. Pretty awesome way of doing this. Works like a charm every single time, and now you can have a headless mode with a much larger resolution. Now, if you notice that it's actually kind of slow, if you want this faster, you may want to put it on the Ethernet cable as opposed to Wi-Fi. I'm using Wi-Fi, so that's why it's so slow. Other than that, that's it. Thank you for watching. The commands for this are in the description below. Subscribe, share this video, and support the channel. Stay awesome, stay beautiful, stay gorgeous, and stay incredible. Keep learning. Bye-bye.